Hello and welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. Let's have a look at Phonosophie, the sound that you get from them. Yeah, it's a fine overall sound. I think it's just you just have to be a certain type of person that likes to listen to that flow of music. It's fast, it's energetic, it's impressive. But it's like a certain type of sound you don't usually hear, so I think it will separate a lot of people. So they will either really love it or hate it. So yeah, it's above average. It does a lot of interesting, cool stuff. For me, it's just I didn't like it. I felt that it was just a bit unsettling. Didn't have that true depth and quality and weight to the music. But I just felt like my brain couldn't really register what was going on because it was just so fast. But yeah, some people are just wired differently and they like to listen to that type of flow. But it's overall a pretty decent brand. So, and just note that I haven't heard a lot from this manufacturer. I've only heard like 6 pieces of gear, Phonosophie, at I think at 3 different places. So overall, I would probably suggest having it on a slightly heavy speaker, just so it doesn't become too fast. I heard it at a friend's place on an audio note speaker, I think it was, and it was just so fast. I just couldn't. I just couldn't understand what was going on. Some people like that. I think that more people will like this piece of gear if you just run it on a more heavy speaker, not a 98 dB speaker. So yeah, overall pretty decent sound, and it's like a budget version of Bacasti basically. I think Bacasti has a lot more to offer, but um, yeah, those are my considerations. Remember to like and subscribe.